Hi guys! So ngayon guys, ipapakita ko ho sa inyo yung aming organic blackberries. So ang dami na po niyang hinog. So bukas magha-harvest po kami. As in, ang dami na niyang hinog po. Ayan, blackberries. Organic native blackberries. Blackberries.
Blackberry?
Yes po.
How come they have but we don't?
Ha?
Can I have one?
No, not yet. Tomorrow na. Mag-harvest tayo tomorrow, ha? Wow, we have a lot of blackberries.